today we have a really cool 2017 Lotus Evora 400. It is bespoke Gulf Blue, carbon pack, carbon roof, carbon accents, carbon trim on the inside. It's got matching interior Gulf Blue trim, really nice black wheels, lightweight forged, yellow calipers, super low mileage. Not going to find another one like it, so we're going to take it out on the road. Stay tuned and stick around. Alright, fire it up. As you can see, it's got the nice interior trim that matches the exterior. Really nice car. It's got just over 6,000 miles. We'll do what we do and warm it up. So here we are on a really great road. It's unfortunate that it's two directions because it's really curvy. It's really fun. A lot of elevation changes, a lot of blind turns. Unfortunately, you gotta keep it easy because cars come the other direction and the road gets pretty narrow at some points. But it's a whole lot of fun. Very compliant versus some of the other cars we've taken down this road. One thing you can really hear at nice higher RPMs is the titanium exhaust that this car was optioned with. But this is such a fun car to drive. Handles unbelievably. But the sound and stability is very, very addicting in this car. Supercar look, supercar performance, supercar handling at a fraction of the price. Plus, it's really awesome color. Man, it's like on rails. Drive-bys, you've seen some nice curvy roads. Here we'll do a little highway cruising for you. I mean, as far as usability, this is an extremely easy car to drive every day. It's got really nice view all around. It's just the handling is phenomenal, but it's always been that way with Lotus, especially these Evoras. They really did a great job getting the handling and balance right of power. This car screams for open roads, and it's really not too loud at cruising speed. It's easy to have a conversation. There's no real drone, which is nice. And a real nice gearbox to go along with it. Even the automatics are really fun to drive with the paddle shifters. It's quick, it's precise. It's even got a couple mode settings. Throw it in sport, 5 and update throttle response. Definitely makes it a little quicker. It even has a race setting too, but completely unnecessary. color, styling, power, handling. You gotta give it to Lotus. They really know how to put a package together. Alright, well, we are just about back at the homestead. Thank you for coming along with us. It's been a pleasure. Here we are. So, if you're interested in a really cool looking Evora, come on down to Autosport Designs and check it out.